Unique New York. I'm Ron Burgundy. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Six Pack Abs.
I'm Coach Crystal.
And I'm Coach Jonny Catanzano. And in today's video, we actually have a little bit of an education for you guys. Coach Crystal and I are going to be doing an educational series, and we're going to teach you guys the basics on nutrition specifically. Coach Crystal, why don't you go ahead and start off by breaking down what macronutrients are, and then actually what they consist of.
Right. Yes, most of you may not know exactly what macronutrients are, but you've probably heard. So what macronutrients are is the basic nutrients your body needs to achieve optimal health, okay? So it's gonna be your protein, your fat, your carbs, and yes, alcohol. So all you alkies out there, I realize that those are empty calories, however, they are calories. So when you're doing a diet plan or a meal plan, you do have to include those in to your meal.
Coach Crystal, why don't you maybe explain what empty calories are?
No, absolutely. So empty calories, you're getting no nutrients out of these calories whatsoever.
So it's giving you caloric value, right, and it's adding up, but you're not getting any micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, that sort of thing.
Exactly.
So it does count towards against you, and you can gain fat from it.
You can gain fat from it.
But you're not actually getting any nutritional benefit from it. So that's what empty calories are.
Exactly.
Okay, great.
And so just to break it down a little bit, when you're trying to calculate how many you need of each, just remember that protein is going to be 4 calories per gram. Thank you. Fat will be 9 calories per gram. Carbohydrates are also 4 calories per gram. And alcohol, wait for it, 7. Almost as much as the fat, guys.
So just from a snapshot viewpoint here, protein and carbohydrates are the lowest per gram, but also the same, and over twice as much per gram in fat calories, so at 9. And then surprisingly, alcohol carries almost as many calories per gram as fat. Very interesting.
Yes, so when people say they stop drinking and all of a sudden they lose 10 pounds, it's probably why.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So why are these numbers important?
Well, they're very important because you need them when you're trying to figure out percentages.
So you may have also heard of these terms, macros or macro ratio. You may have heard that loosely thrown around either on the internet or somebody at the gym or something. I'm gonna break down exactly what this means and show you how to do that. So macros is literally just short for macronutrients. So when somebody says you need to calculate your macros, they want you to calculate how much protein, how much fat, and how much carbohydrates, not really alcohol, per day or per meal that you want to consume. See, you can actually break it down on a day period, over a meal period. You can even break macros down over a week-long time frame if you really wanted to. You see, it's all numbers. Just as anything in life, I remember sitting in school when the math teacher was teaching us all that ridiculous stuff. She's like, you're gonna use this for the rest of your life. You kind of do. So with fat loss and muscle building, there is somewhat of a math problem involved. Now it's basic math, but that's where those numbers come into play.
These numbers are very important to remember.
Yes. So let's give an example, a rough example of somebody eating a 2,000 calorie diet. Because the American Heart Association, or the recommended dietary allowance of an average person, is roughly 2,000 calories. And me personally, in my field experience of working with men and women and coaching them, that's a pretty average number for somebody that might need to lose some body fat. Now, of course, there's gonna be other people that need more calories per day than that. Somebody who's very active or has a lot of muscle or is maybe a bigger person. And then there's also gonna be people like maybe a female who will need less than this number. So this number is very important because what this number is gonna dictate whether you're maintaining, you're gaining weight, or you're losing weight. We'll save that for another video, but first we're gonna show you how to break this down. Short and sweet, we're gonna break this down into the macro ratio. So basically you have your first number here, and this is gonna total 100%. You've gotta break these down into ratios. So either 20, 30, 50%, whatever those are, it does have to total to 100%. So for this example, I'm giving a macro ratio of 40% carbohydrates, 35% protein, and 25% fats. So this macro ratio would be considered a higher, moderate, and a moderate protein ratio. 40% carbohydrates is moderate to high, 35% protein is in between moderate and high, and then fats at 25%, that's decent. It wouldn't be high, but it wouldn't be low. So this is a very rough average for somebody that you could either be looking to build muscle or even lose weight with this, because what really matters is your overall calories. So when you total up these numbers here, of course you get 100%. So if you're going to calculate your ratio and somewhere the math isn't adding up, make sure that your ratios total 100%. Very easily, you can take this 40%. So let's ignore these numbers for now. 40% carbohydrates of 2,000 calories is 800. So that's 800 calories. 35% of 2,000 calories in protein comes out to 700 calories. And then down here at fats, 25% of 2,000 calories comes down to 500 calories. So if you were to add up 800 plus 700 plus 500, you get this number, okay? You get 2,000. So you know your ratios are correct. You know it totals up correct. Now, how many grams? How many grams of protein? How many grams of fat? How many grams of carbohydrates? That's where these numbers come into play, and that's why these numbers are very important, and you should engrave them in your brain. So all you need to do is a little division. Remember Mrs. Rose, our math teacher? Yeah, we're gonna need her again.
Basic math, guys.
So we're gonna divide 4 into 800. We're gonna divide 4 into 700, because remember, protein and carbohydrates both have 4 calories per gram. And then we're gonna divide 9 into 500. So I've got my handy dandy calculator up here, just so we can make sure, and we're gonna show you guys live how we do this. So 800 divided by 4, that is gonna be 200, okay? 700 divided by 4 is 175, and 500 divided by 9 is 55.55, repeating. Did you see I remembered that? So that's the repeating thing. So guys, it's all just simple math. We've broken it down for you. So now you know if this person is eating 2,000 calories per day and they want to break it down to eat 40% carbs, 35% protein, 25% fats, they need to be consuming 200 grams of protein per day. They need to be consuming 200 grams of carbohydrates per day, 175 grams of protein per day, and 55.55 grams of fat per day. So that's how you break it down. If you did want to go a little bit further, now we'll give you a teaser for the next video. If you want to break this down a little further, let's say you want to eat 4 times per day. All you do is take the 400, divide it by 4, divide the 175 by 4, and the same thing with the 55.55. Then you will see how many grams per meal you will be consuming. Coach Crystal, anything you want to add?
Also, yes, I do actually. So these are kind of your standard percentages. Another video, we will probably go into the fact that some people's percentages will be different based on body type.
Correct, right. And I'm glad you specified that. Not everybody's gonna eat 40% carbs, 35% protein, 25% fat. For example, if you're doing keto, you're gonna be way higher on the fat, way lower on the carbohydrates. We will educate you guys in the next video on that. So from SixPack Abs, I hope you guys enjoyed what you learned here. Make sure and comment below if you have any questions or if you liked what you saw. Make sure and subscribe to us here on YouTube and turn those notifications on so you can hear from Coach Crystal and Coach Jonny. We've got a lot of cool videos coming out for you guys and more continuation from our Whiteboard educational series from Coach Crystal and Coach Jonny. We'll see you next time.
Have a good one.